So you got a pack of 3D DIY paper stars from Sydney Paper Flowers, and now you're ready to assemble them. I'll show you how to make it fast, easy, and absolutely nice looking. It's really fast and really easy. You will need just a little bit of clean desk, a chopstick, or maybe a ruler, and our stars. Take one star and fold it by the perforated line here. And now another one, and you fold your star this way by each perforated line you see. This way. You can straighten your corners with a chopstick, or you can use a ruler. So the corners look straight and absolutely perfect. Once all folds are finished, you squeeze your star this way, and you already see it almost 3D, but we need to finish the center of the star. We want it to be straight and nice also. So we fold different ways and press this metal of the star with our chopstick. And now the center is sharp, the corners are sharp, and the star is 3D, and it looks beautiful. Let's try another size. Let's take the medium size. We do all the same again. We fold and help with the chopstick. And now this line and corner number 3 and number 4 and number 5. And now we squeeze. Remember, this rib's going up and this going down. We squeeze a star, and once we squeezed it, we fold it and press, and then we change the fold anyway and press. Now the middle is sharp, each corner is sharp, and the star is straight, and it is ready. Now you just need to place all your stars on the wall. In your pack you have a piece of blue tack. You pinch a tiny bit, just like this. You put this blue tack right underneath the corner of the star and press on the wall. This way you pinch it a bit and it will sit securely. For the flat looking stars, you pinch even less of blue tack like this, place it in the center and press. So you can style your room with our stars and let it shine. Enjoy!